What's up guys, welcome back to our channel, welcome to another video, and today I'm here to talk to you guys about two NHT developments that are going on sale. Alright, and these two are none other than SilverSun Estate Phase 5 and Windsor Hills, but I'll speak to you on SilverSun first and then we get into Windsor afterwards. I know you guys have a lot of questions, but hopefully this video will help you to iron out everything. I'll tell you the application date, I'll tell you some details, as well as for some concerns that persons have reached out to me with. I'll try my best to get those into this video. Alright, so guys, before the application date is open, I'm just going to ask you guys to check out our previous video that we did, giving you a walkthrough of the entire process, so that when time comes for you to apply, you don't have any issues to go through the process. Alright, so SilverSun is currently at Phase 5 and there are 105 units that are going up for sale at this point in time. Alright, so the application period for SilverSun will be Wednesday, August 23rd, and it runs to Friday, August 25. Normally the portal opens at 8 a.m. in the morning, so guys, look out for the ads that are coming. Check out the NHT website, check out their social media pages for all the details, and do not be late. Alright, so guys, you know, we've covered open house videos for SilverSun, we've given you drone shots for SilverSun. You guys can always go back and watch those videos. The units are the same layout, we've given you size and everything, so you can go back, check out those videos. Alright, so basically SilverSun is a community that is located in Innswood, and it's just right outside of Spanish Town, St. Catherine. You know that they are close to schools, the police stations, you have commercial centers, as well as we'll be having some health facilities in close proximity to the development. And features of the development also include clubhouse, multipurpose court, football field, and convenience stores. So like I've mentioned earlier, they will be having 105 two-bedroom units, and the price range is from $17.4 million to $17.8 million. And the unit size is approximately 770 square feet, with the lot size ranging from 355 square meters to 690 square meters. So in square feet, that's roughly 3,821 square feet to 7,422 square feet. Alright, so you guys can keep yourself posted for the application period. I'll also be just reminding you guys of the floor plan of SilverSun Estate Phase 5, as well as in the background. I hope you guys are enjoying the shots that we previously took some time ago from phase 3, from phase 4, like I've said to you before, it's the same thing. So the big topic item with this development that persons have been asking is about the financing. Alright, so NHT provides 100% financing for their units. Let me say that again, 100% financing for all NHT units. However, the units are 100% financing based on your affordability. So that's the point that we need to keep in mind. So if you go on their website and you've been reading, for SilverSun it says that the NHT loan amount is $15 million. And it has raised some sore point for some persons, because if the loan amount is 15 million and the cost of the unit range from 17.4 to 17.8 million dollars, then where will you get this additional money from? Alright, so just to clear that up for you, NHT may provide additional loan to cover the difference between the standard $15 million scheme loan and the selling price of the unit. So at an interest rate to be indicated at the time of the loan interview, you will be able to get the additional amount, and this is subject to your affordability. So when you go in for your interview, if you're selected for a unit, then they will do their assessment to see if it is that you can afford the $17 million. Once you can, you will get 100% financing. And as usual, the closing cost for the unit is just 3,500 Jamaican dollars. Alright, so I'll be giving you guys a breakdown of the monthly payment as shown in the booklet provided by the National Housing Trust, so you guys can take a look on that as well. And you can also go on their website to read up about the requirements for you to be eligible to access one of these units. So guys, remember the application period is Wednesday, August 23rd to Friday, August 25 for you to apply for your unit over SilverSun Estate, and this is phase 5. So guys, we're going to jump right over to Windsor Hills. Windsor Hill, they will be providing 34 one-bedroom units, and they will also be providing 26 service lots. And Windsor Hills is in Spicy Hill in Trelawney. The application period for Windsor Hills open on Thursday, August 24th to Friday, August 25. So do not miss the period in which you can go on and apply for either your one-bedroom unit or to apply for your service lot. So let me say it again, it is Thursday, August 24th and to Friday, August 25. So the location for Windsor Hills is located near Spicy Hill, Trelawney. It's approximately 1 kilometer from Duncan Square, and it offers breathtaking view of the Caribbean Sea to the north and lush rolling hills to the south. So available public transportation makes for easy access to civil and social amenities. So you know that there also will be having schools around, your police station, your health facilities, a library, a post office, gas station, and public transportation. Alright, so for these solutions for the service lots, which would be 26 service lots, the price point for that is $6.15 million to $6.9 million, and the size range from the size of the lot is 6,000 square feet. We have a 34 one-bedroom detached units at a price range of $11,950,000 to $12,600,000. All right, and the unit size is 532 square feet. and the minimum lot size is 6,000 square feet. So guys, features of this development, you'll be getting a nice view of the sea and the mountains as stated before. You have portable water distribution system, centralized water storage, paved roads and curbed wall, concrete slab roof, paved driveway, and ceramic tiles and walls. Remember, you can always go onto the National Housing Trust website. You can follow their social media pages. Remember, do not miss the opportunity to apply for one of these units for SilverSun Estate. It's Wednesday the 23rd to Friday the 25th of August. For Windsor Hills, it's Thursday, August 24th to Friday, August 25th. If there is an issue, chances are you'll get additional time to apply, but ensure that you are on time with your application, and remember to check out the process of applying in our previous video so that you have a smooth transition. NHT properties are 100% financing, and it is subject to your affordability. So once the assessment is done, if it is proven that you can afford the $17 million, then you will be eligible to get the loan for $17 million. So guys, go out, put in your applications. Remember to follow the social media pages. Remember to keep posted to our channel. We'll continue to provide you guys with all the updates that you need. And remember that this is where we give you facts. Alright? So until all research is done, we do not provide you with any information. So guys, thank you so much for making it Chris Adams. Wish you guys all the best with your application process. And don't hesitate to go on the website Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, the 23rd to the 25th to apply for either your SilverSun Estate property or your Windsor Hills property, whether it be your 1-bedroom or your service lot. So until next time guys, you know what to do. Remember to like this video, remember to share, remember to subscribe, remember to leave your comment, and we'll definitely see you guys in another video. So thank you so much for making it Chris Adams, and remember, the journey continues. Alright?